here's the bottom of it. It's got a wicked small lead screw in it. Really small. It's crazy. Alright, give me a second and I'll get this one kind of up against another one that's about the same size. So here is this WEN. This is a 6-inch jaw, I think. 5-inch maybe. But anyhow, you see how big this lead screw is on this one compared to this other one. This extra grease that's in this thing is from me. And this has absolutely no grease on it whatsoever. It's dry as a bone. There's nothing on it. But you can also see, get these two together here, you can see the width of the WEN versus this thing, the slide. 1/4 of an inch bigger. The WEN definitely doesn't have the throat depth that this thing has, and it doesn't have pipe jaws on it either, but I never really buy these for that, you know. This head here too, this thing is hollow almost all the way up into it. That's crazy. Yeah, this thing's going back. I think I'd rather have a, I wanted to put this in my shed, and I think I'd rather have a 6-inch WEN put on this bench and put this 5-inch one out in the shed. But I mean, the fit and finish on this WEN is astronomical compared. I mean, look at the chamfers on it all the way around. Killer powder coating on it. I mean, this looks really good, but you know, you'd be looking at that all the time, you know, where they just like brush stroked a big old blob of paint on it. And I'm sorry the camera's jumping around, but yep, it'll be going back. All right, thanks for your time.